You know what the most common problem is in relationships that creates conflict and disharmony and frustration and sadness and difficulty? It's that everybody wants their partner to be able to read their mind. Not just read their mind, but read their soul, to read their heart, to know exactly what they're feeling, what they're thinking, what they're needing, what they're wanting, their deepest desires, their longing. We all have this deep desire to be seen and understood and perceived without having to say anything, do anything, ask for anything, explain ourselves. We just have this deep thirst for this. Why do we have it? It's because it comes from infancy. A little baby, when they're born, has this symbiotic relationship with their mother. But if mom isn't there for you in the way that's needed all the time, if mom doesn't really emotionally connect sometimes, or if she's checked out, or if mom or dad is on drugs or alcohol, or just isn't around, or isn't paying attention, or isn't emotionally attuned, then that baby starts to get starved for that deep, essential core need, right? And that gets carried forward into adulthood as this unfulfilled, deep desire, deep need. And it gets projected then onto your most intimate relationships, onto your partner. And everybody thinks, oh, we're just communicating poorly. We're not connecting well. She's too demanding. She doesn't listen. He doesn't understand me. He's self-absorbed. He's checked out. She's not paying attention to what I need. And what it really is this deep wound that we all, on some level, carry to some extent, some of us more than others. But if you don't address it at this level, if you don't really recognize it for what it is, you'll always get lost in the complications and the details and the circumstances of the present life situation, relationship situation, and you'll never address where it's really coming from, where you can really heal it. It's within yourself, and you have to start there, or your relationship will never really heal, will never really grow in this way. It'll just get covered over. So this is what you need to pay attention to.